So how do you determine who is going to be in a group?
Okay, the first thing we do is the teacher and I do an entry ticket with everyone in the class. Then we sit down together and we mark them. We go through the marking and we look at 3 different levels. They're either going to be emerging, developing, or proficient. And in each row of the entry ticket, we also individually mark that level of understanding. Then we record it onto the spreadsheet. If you look over here, you can see that we recorded under the number routine spreadsheet each different area that we were working on. Then we gave each student an overall general understanding. From there, we used the general level of understanding, and then we grouped our students. Throughout the unit that we worked on here, we were also made sure that our groups were fluid, and that if we had a student that showed in maybe an emerging that they were progressing faster than the other students, we would then regroup. So every week, there wasn't always the same group. The groups were fluent and they moved depending on the student needs and how they grasped the concepts as we taught them. You'll also notice here on the problem sets that every week the teacher then tracked each coach's corner that we did. At the end of the coach's corner, she would say either we need to revisit that concept, or we almost got through that concept, or the concept is now complete and they were confident in achieving that level of understanding. All right, today in our Coach's Corner, we're going to be working on benchmarks. We're going to be looking at the scale of benchmarks and number lines, and we're going to be using the tool number lines to help us with some skip counting and some counting today. Okay, so that's what our focus will be on our Coach's Corner. Our other two stations will be Race to 100. Give me a thumbs up. Remember Race to 100? Yes, excellent. And our second station will be our reflex station. Okay. The groups will be Group 1, you will be Race to 100, okay? So we have yellow group and green group. You will be Race to 100. So you're going to find your colored cards and you're going to race to 100. Group 2, you are going to be reflex today. So you're going to get your Chromebook and you're going to go to yellow B, I believe we have, yellow B and green B. And group 3, you get to be in Coach's Corner. Give me a thumbs up if you can see your name. Give me another thumbs up if you know where you're going in the classroom. I see 2 thumbs. 2? You know where you're going? Okay, where's your name?
My name.
Are you ready to do your number sentence now? Okay, so what number can you circle the beginning of your number line and the end of your number line for me?
Sure.
Yeah. And how many numbers did you skip count by today on your number line?
10.
10. How did you know you skipped count? You only skip counted 10 numbers? Or 10
Like
tens?
10 tens.
So what is 10 tens?
So if you like, I think 100 is also 2 tens.
Mm-hmm.
So it would equal 20. Because you're going, if you have 10 and then you add like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, it will like take you to 2, so that it will be like 20.
Okay. And how many tens did we add today to get to the last number?
10.
10. And what is 10 tens?
10 tens is 20. Wait, 20.
Let's count. So we have 10.
20, 30, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's 100.
Okay, so if I start at 83 and I add 100, what is my final answer?
183.
Awesome. Could you write that number sentence there for me? Can you show me 83 using place value blocks for me a second? Can you do that for me? Can you show me 83?
I think I did a bit too.
Can you take 10 away?
Oh, I have an idea.
Now what do you have?
73.
Good. Can you take another 10 away? Now what do you have?
63.
Oh, can you record that on your number line? You first. I'll start you off in your starting position. What are you going to show me on your Rick and Rack?
70.
Okay.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 72,